Hey folks, Eric from Mindado coming at you from insanely cold, record-breaking lows out here on the East Coast. I just wanted to give a quick shout to those of you who have rental properties out here. I received notification from one of my tenants that he's out of town. He's actually out of the country. So it's best if you check in with your tenants to make sure that they are home and using water and heat, because now I have to run out and make sure that the pipes aren't freezing over, because I don't know how long he's been away. But I just wanted to let you guys know that a little tip, if you haven't already checked in with some of your tenants to see if they're home. So that's the tidbit for today. I hope you guys are warm. Those of you in the South, screw you. And that's it for me, Eric from Mindado. Like, subscribe, and please make comments if you have any. Thanks.